If you've got a broken or damaged Mitre fence like this one off my DeWalt DWS 774, I'm going to show you how to replace the fence quickly, easily and safely.
If your cuts are no longer accurate or your material isn't sitting flush properly against the fence, a bent fence could be the cause. Fences can get damaged or bent in use or just wear out. Here I'm checking with an engineer's square to see if the fence is bent. This one's bent. Unplug your machine. Next, remove the mounting bolts holding the damaged fence in place on both sides. It will be tight at first. I'm using a 5mm Allen key here. Keep the bolts somewhere safe as you'll need them for replacement. The old fence should be loose and you can remove it. And here's the new fence. Now fit the new fence loosely first before tightening fully. This allows you to align it properly with the blade and the table surface. Once aligned, tighten the bolts evenly and double check that the fence sits straight and flush. Here I'm unscrewing the bolt when I put it in to catch so it doesn't misthread. And the other side as well. Make sure you tighten it fully. It should be quite snug. And then just check with your engineer's square to make sure the fence is at 90 degrees to the base plate. Plug it back in. Finally, test your saw with a scrap piece of timber to confirm your cuts are accurate again. And here we are, nice clean cut. Simple fix, but it makes a big difference.
So that was a quick and simple fix. If that video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.